Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. Welcome to ReneEnergy.com. In today's episode, we're venturing into the exhilarating world of hydrogen-powered hypersonic planes, a realm where speed and sustainability converge to redefine aviation. We're spotlighting groundbreaking initiatives like Destinus and the innovative collaboration between industry giants Boeing and Hypersonics. These ventures are not just pushing the boundaries of technology, they are reshaping the very future of how we travel through the skies. Hypersonic travel refers to flight speeds exceeding Mach 5 times faster than the speed of sound. At these staggering speeds, we are entering a new era where intercontinental journeys could take just a few hours. But what truly sets these aircraft apart is their power source, hydrogen. This element, the most abundant in the universe, is paving the way for an aviation revolution, offering a greener, more sustainable alternative to traditional jet fuels. The implications of hydrogen-powered hypersonic travel are profound. For one, it promises to drastically reduce travel times, making the world more connected than ever. Business trips and personal travel that once took a day could be completed in a matter of hours. But perhaps more importantly, it represents a significant stride towards environmentally responsible travel. The aviation industry, currently a notable contributor to global carbon emissions, stands on the brink of a transformation, championing a future where travel leaves a minimal environmental footprint. In this episode, we'll dive deep into the marvels of engineering behind these hypersonic aircraft. From the sleek aerodynamics to the complexities of hydrogen fuel utilization, we explore the technological innovations that make these speeds possible. We'll also discuss the challenges and opportunities presented by this technology, including its potential impact on global connectivity and environmental sustainability. Join us on this journey at ReneEnergy.com, where we unravel the intricacies of these incredible machines and their potential to bring us closer to a future where long-distance travel is not just faster but cleaner and more efficient. Let's embark on this exciting exploration into the dawn of hypersonic travel. The mechanics of hypersonic speed. Hypersonic planes, capable of exceeding 5 times the speed of sound, mark a revolutionary advancement in aerospace technology. This remarkable feat is not just about velocity, it's about re-engineering the fundamentals of flight. In this segment, we delve into the engineering prowess that enables these astonishing speeds and the paradigm shift in aviation and space exploration they represent. The journey to hypersonic speeds begins with overcoming unique aerodynamic challenges. At speeds surpassing Mach 5, air behaves in complex ways, exerting extreme forces on the aircraft. This necessitates a rethinking of traditional aerodynamic designs. Hypersonic planes must have streamlined, heat-resistant bodies to handle the intense friction and temperatures that can soar to several thousand degrees Celsius. The materials used in these aircraft are not just lightweight and strong, they must also withstand these extreme thermal conditions without compromising structural integrity. Central to this high-velocity travel is the propulsion system. Traditional jet engines are incapable of operating efficiently at hypersonic speeds, paving the way for innovations like scramjet technology. The Spartan scramjet engine, developed in the collaboration between Hypersonics and Boeing, is a prime example of this. This air-breathing engine, powered by hydrogen, is designed to operate efficiently at hypersonic speeds, ranging from Mach 5 to Mach 12. Unlike conventional engines, scramjets compress incoming air at high speeds before combustion, eliminating the need for moving parts like turbines and compressors. This results in a lighter, more efficient engine perfectly suited for hypersonic flight. Moreover, the use of hydrogen as a fuel source is pivotal. Hydrogen's high energy density makes it ideal for powering these advanced engines. When combusted, hydrogen provides the necessary thrust while only emitting water vapor, making it an environmentally friendly option. This integration of scramjet technology with hydrogen fuel is not just an evolution in aviation, it's a leap towards a sustainable future in high-speed travel and space exploration. Hydrogen, fueling the future of flight. As we venture into the realm of hypersonic travel, the spotlight shines on hydrogen, the element that is poised to revolutionize the future of flight. In this segment, we delve into hydrogen's pivotal role as a sustainable and powerful fuel source for these cutting-edge aircraft. Hydrogen, with its high energy density and environmental benefits, stands at the forefront of this aviation transformation. The environmental advantages of hydrogen are significant. As a clean fuel, its combustion results in zero carbon dioxide emissions, a stark contrast to the pollutants produced by traditional jet fuels. When hydrogen burns, it primarily releases water vapor, making it an exceptionally eco-friendly option in an industry under increasing pressure to reduce its carbon footprint. This attribute is critical in the global effort to combat climate change, presenting a sustainable path forward for aviation. However, the benefits of hydrogen extend beyond its environmental impact. It possesses a high energy density, making it a highly efficient fuel choice for powering aircraft, especially those requiring the immense thrust of hypersonic speeds. This efficiency translates to longer flight ranges and reduced fuel weight compared to conventional aviation fuels. Yet, the journey to adopting hydrogen is not without challenges. The Enable2 project, led by Cranfield University, provides valuable insights into hydrogen's viability in aviation. This comprehensive research highlights not only hydrogen's potential but also the challenges in storage and transportation. Hydrogen requires specialized handling, including cryogenic storage or high-pressure tanks, due to its low density at standard temperatures and pressures. Moreover, transitioning existing aircraft to hydrogen power involves significant redesigns, particularly in fuel storage and delivery systems. This process opens up discussions on the interim use of sustainable aviation fuels, SAF, which could serve as a stepping stone towards a fully hydrogen-powered fleet. SAFs, derived from biomass or waste, offer reduced life cycle carbon emissions and could pave the way for a smoother transition to hydrogen. In essence, hydrogen stands as a beacon of hope for a cleaner, more sustainable future in aviation. Its adoption, albeit challenging, heralds a new era of eco-friendly and efficient air travel, transforming the way we view and experience flight in the decades to come. Destinus and Boeing, pioneering sustainable hypersonic travel. In the quest to revolutionize air travel, companies like Destinus and the partnership between Boeing and Hypersonics are leading the charge, paving the way for sustainable hypersonic travel. These organizations are not just pushing the boundaries of speed, they are redefining what it means to travel quickly and responsibly in the 21st century. Destinus is at the forefront of this revolution with its commitment to carbon-neutral operations. This ambition is grounded in the development of hypersonic planes powered by hydrogen, a fuel that promises zero carbon emissions. The company's advancements in aircraft design are not limited to speed and efficiency, they also focus on environmental sustainability. Destinus's aircraft embody a holistic approach to sustainability, integrating advanced materials and engineering techniques to minimize ecological impact without compromising on performance. On a similar trajectory, the collaboration between Boeing and Hypersonics is demonstrating the broader applications of hypersonic and hydrogen technologies. Their partnership is exploring the development of a sustainable hypersonic vehicle, with potential applications extending beyond commercial air travel to space exploration. The Spartan scramjet engine, a centerpiece of this collaboration, exemplifies the fusion of high-speed travel with environmentally friendly fuel sources. The technical challenges in this domain are formidable, ranging from designing airframes that can withstand extreme temperatures to developing propulsion systems that are both powerful and efficient. Innovations like actively cooled surfaces and advanced autopilot systems are testaments to the ingenuity being applied in this field. These features not only enhance the safety and performance of hypersonic travel but also contribute to its sustainability. The work of Destinus and the Boeing-Hypersonics partnership is more than just a technological marvel, it's a beacon for a future where speed, efficiency, and sustainability coexist. As these companies navigate the complex interplay of technical, environmental, and economic challenges, they are laying the groundwork for a new era in aviation, one that promises a greener, more connected world. Through their efforts, hypersonic travel is evolving from a fascinating concept into a tangible reality, marking a significant milestone in the journey towards sustainable high-speed transportation. A new horizon in aviation. As we reach the conclusion of our exploration into hydrogen-powered hypersonic planes, it becomes evident that we are witnessing the dawn of a new epoch in aviation. Innovations by pioneers like Destinus and collaborative efforts between giants like Boeing and Hypersonics are not just reshaping the skies, they are redefining the very fabric of global connectivity and sustainability. These advancements signal a transformative leap toward a world where the speed of travel is matched by a commitment to environmental stewardship. The implications of this technological revolution extend far beyond the realms of aviation and aerospace. They represent a pivotal stride towards diminishing our carbon footprint, a crucial step in combating the escalating challenges of climate change. The adoption of hydrogen as a clean, efficient fuel source for hypersonic travel is a beacon of hope for a sustainable future. It's a bold statement in the face of growing environmental concerns, showcasing a path where technological advancement and ecological responsibility can coexist. However, the road ahead is laden with challenges. The transition to hydrogen-powered hypersonic aviation requires not only groundbreaking technological advancements but also significant developments in infrastructure. The creation of a global network capable of supporting this new mode of travel involves immense logistical, economic, and regulatory coordination. Yet, the progress we have witnessed thus far is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of innovation. As we wrap up this episode, we stand at the threshold of a new horizon in aviation. A horizon where distances shrink, and the world becomes more accessible, all while preserving the planet we call home. At ReneEnergy.com, we remain committed to exploring and sharing the latest developments in renewable energy and sustainable technology. Join us as we continue to delve into the fascinating world of aviation, where the future is not just faster, but greener and more interconnected than ever. Together, let's embrace this journey towards a new horizon in aviation, where the sky is not the limit but the beginning of a sustainable future. Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.